Hi, we have Jeep Compass 2020 with this file code, ambient temperature sensor, circuit high, and engine hood switch, circuit high. Okay, we open this front bumper and check sensors and wires, and we find this connector is short together. These wires, these two wires, one wire is ground sensor for hood ajar switch, this sensor, and ambient temperature sensor that come to here. And this is the connector under front left headlight, this connector. Don't forget, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.